Where's my chat, bruh? Hold on, guys. Trigger warning, I'm gonna use a knife. Hey, if I sound uninterested or bored, it's because I literally woke up 10 minutes ago. I woke up, I just got this off the porch and went right back into my room. Hey guys, can someone, anyone, doesn't matter, can someone, oh my god, please don't spam. Can someone, anyone, screen record this and upload it, because that would be so awesome. Yes, I'm so tired. Sorry, guys. But yeah. Hey. Sorry, I legit just woke up. But yeah. My tail came. So this is an unboxing. It doesn't have to be edited, by the way. I just want to let you know, I'm just very tired. What? Okay, guys, trigger warning, I'm about to pull up a knife. Is everyone ready? I'm gonna open this now. Oh, dang. I don't know how to do this. Oh my god, bro. Guys, I'm so tired. Okay. Oh my god, what? Dang, toffee package this good. Okay. Okay. Oh, I legit saw it like as soon as I opened it. Okay, hold on. You guys ready? Okay, I'm gonna cover my eyes. I'm not gonna look at it. I'm not gonna look at it. I want to see if there's like other stuff in here first. There is other stuff in here. Okay, I'm not looking at it. Oh, I'm not looking at it, guys. I'm not looking at it. I just tossed it. Okay, what else is in here? There's a note. There's a little pin. Look, wait. There's a pin of Lars. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, can you open? Can you stop? Oh my god. There's a sticker. There's a Lars sticker. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. August, thank you so much for commissioning me again. I had so much fun making this tail. I tried some new techniques, and I think it turned out pretty awesome. I hope you like it. Here's stickers and a new pin to express my gratitude. XOXO Toph. Aw, guys. Toph is awesome. Please go commission my friend Toph's Universe. He is awesome sauce. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put this in my bag. That is so awesome. Bro, okay, is there anything else in here? Oh my gosh, I just looked at it. Anything else? I don't think there is. Yeah, I don't think there is. Okay. Now for the big reveal. Oh my gosh, why are there 800 people in here? Get out. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? Look at this star at the end. Dude. There's like little coins. It rattles. Oh my god. We got the little bone thingy. Oh yeah. There's a hidden boat loop. I promise I'm excited. I'm so tired. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Should I put it on? Oh my gosh, it's like so huggable. That is awesome sauce. Do you guys want me to put it on? I will put it on right now, bro. Look at the star though. Look at that. It's like so perfect. What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Put it on, put it on, put it on, put it on. Please don't. Oh my god, there's so many freaking haters in here. I really don't care if you don't want me to put it on. I'm gonna. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna put it on really quickly. Okay. I'm gonna put it on. Yeah, I'm gonna go get a belt. I don't know where the belt is. Here's one. What the flip? Can you get off my pants? That'd be awesome. Thanks. I got a belt. Where? I left it over there. Dang. Okay, so. Oh my gosh. I promise I'm excited. I'm really tired. I woke up like 20 minutes ago. And you slip it through here. And I gotta stand up. Hold on. Oh my diet. Oh my diet. You know how people say yacht like diet? That's so wacky. Do people say like that? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's so like it's a big boy tail. Okay, wait. I need to like put you somewhere so you guys can see it. Here, I could put you over there. I have stuff on the floor, so just ignore that, okay? Oh my gosh, y'all can't see anything, can you? Yes, you can. It's okay, though. Stop! My bag! Hey, look. Oh my gosh, it's like touching the floor, bro. Oh my gosh. That is so awesome sauce. You know what I'm gonna be like at Ren Fair? This is gonna be me the whole time. So, that's the tail. I promise I'm excited. I'm very tired. I woke up literally like 20 minutes ago. So, that's awesome sauce. I love it. I love it so much.